Have you ever heard of blockchain? This is the technology behind Bitcoin and billions of dollars in transactions every day. But what exactly is blockchain? Many people think blockchain is complicated, hard to understand, and only for tech experts. But the truth is, when explained the right way, is actually very simple. Blockchain, also known as a chain of blocks, is a system that stores data in blocks of information. Each block contains data and is linked to the previous one, forming a continuous chain. What makes it special is that the data in blockchain is almost impossible to change. When a transaction happens, the information is recorded into a block. Then, a network of computers around the world works together to verify that transaction. Once verified, the block is added to the chain and cannot be altered. Imagine you have a notebook that records every transaction. But instead of keeping it yourself, this notebook is copied and shared with thousands of other people. Since everyone has the same copy, no one can cheat or change the information. Blockchain is not only used for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It is also applied in banking, healthcare, supply chain management, and many other fields. This technology is gradually changing the way we store and secure data. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology in the digital age. Understanding blockchain today could help you seize opportunities in the future. If you're starting from zero, follow along and join me on this 30-day journey to master crypto.